By making smart food choices, you can actively work towards unclogging your arteries and promoting overall cardiovascular health. This is where the importance of a nutritious breakfast comes into play, setting the tone for a day filled with heart-healthy choices. One key player in the realm of heart health is omega-3 fatty acids. These essential nutrients are known for their potent anti-inflammatory properties, which can help reduce inflammation in the arteries and lower the risk of plaque buildup. By incorporating omega-3 rich foods into your diet, such as fatty fish, flax seeds, and walnuts, you can actively support your heart health and work towards unclogging your arteries naturally. Before we dive deep into the main subject, if you enjoy our content, we'd appreciate it if you could subscribe and hit the notification bell. Hence, you'll be updated on health tips, recipes, and wellness inspiration. I appreciate your support. As we dive deeper into the topic of unclogging arteries without remedies, we'll explore the impact of specific foods on arterial health and provide practical tips for incorporating artery-friendly foods into your daily meals. From colorful fruits and vegetables packed with antioxidants to whole grains that support healthy cholesterol levels, there are plenty of delicious options for promoting clear and open arteries. So, if you're looking to take proactive steps towards unclogging your arteries and reducing your risk of heart disease, stay tuned as we uncover the power of a healthy breakfast and the role of nutrient-rich foods in supporting optimal heart health. Let's embark on this journey towards a healthier heart together. The healthiest breakfast to clean and open arteries. Kickstarting your day with a breakfast that promotes clean and open arteries for better heart health can be significantly improved by incorporating specific foods. Oatmeal, berries, and nuts are renowned for their artery-cleansing properties, making them excellent choices for your morning meal. Oatmeal, a hearty whole grain, is a powerhouse for supporting heart health. Packed with soluble fiber, oatmeal helps lower cholesterol levels and reduce the risk of plaque buildup in the arteries. By starting your day with a bowl of oatmeal topped with a handful of fresh berries, you're treating your taste buds and nourishing your arteries with antioxidants and fiber. Like blueberries, strawberries, and raspberries, berries burst with heart-healthy nutrients like vitamin C, fiber, and antioxidants. These colorful fruits help combat inflammation in the arteries, reduce oxidative stress, and improve cardiovascular health. Adding a generous serving of mixed berries to your oatmeal or yogurt bowl can elevate your breakfast to a heart-healthy feast. Nuts, including almonds, walnuts, and pistachios, are rich sources of unsaturated fats, omega-3 fatty acids, and plant sterols that support arterial health. Incorporating a handful of nuts into your breakfast routine provides a satisfying crunch while delivering essential nutrients that help unclog arteries and reduce the risk of heart disease. To make your breakfast even more artery-friendly, consider whipping up a smoothie bowl packed with a blend of fruits, seeds, and nuts. Acai bowls topped with granola, chia seeds, and sliced almonds are another delicious option that combines antioxidants and fiber to support arterial health. By starting your day with a breakfast that includes oatmeal, berries, and nuts, you're setting the stage for clean and open arteries that pave the way for better heart health. Experiment with different recipes and meal ideas to create a breakfast routine that nourishes your body and supports optimal cardiovascular function.